lower 70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the lower 50s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-60s. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and adjacent counties in central Maryland and northern Virginia, as well as the District of Columbia. Day 1, tonight. A coastal flood warning is in effect through tonight for Anne Arundel and southern Baltimore counties. A coastal flood advisory is in effect for the remainder of the western shore of the Maryland Chesapeake Bay and along the tidal Potomac River. For the following county, St. Mary's, Maryland. Coastal flood warning in effect until midnight tonight. Coastal flood advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect until midnight tonight. A coastal flood advisory has also been issued. This coastal flood advisory is in effect until 6 a.m. Saturday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. Tidal anomaly, 2 to 2.5 feet above normal. Timing, moderate shoreline inundation around high tide late this evening. Expected impacts, moderate shoreline inundation. Here are the times of the next high tides for a few locations from north to south on the Chesapeake Bay. Solomon's Island, 10:34 p.m. and 10:54 a.m. Point Lookout, 9:41 p.m. and 10:07 a.m. Now along the Potomac River, Colton Point, 11:07 p.m. and 11:49 a.m. Piney Point, 10:31 p.m. and 11:13 a.m. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. A coastal flood advisory indicates that onshore winds and tides will combine to generate flooding at low areas along the shore.